stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson. Cause I brought my nigga out here with me, and he down to catch a body, so please don't you test him. Now I'm twerking with a cause. Got some thirsty niggas sending drinks up from the bar. Please do respect, I only fuck with 5 stars, and I don't reply back unless that's
So
what
shorty, stop playing with him.
Stop playing with it, nigga.
And let me see you twerk something. Shorty, stop playing with him.
Stop playing with it, nigga.
And let me see you twerk something.
Okay, so I got 6 packs of True Braid Jumbo. It was $2.99. I've never tried it, but I decided we're gonna try it today. All 6 of these packs were under $20. I spent $19, like $61. Got the receipt. I got the color. I got 2 F1B 27s. I got 3 number 27s, and then I got a number 4. Another thing you'll need is, I like to use edge wax to slick down my hair, a rat tail comb, and some rubber bands. So the hair feels a bit dry, but we're gonna start off by sectioning our hair. So sectioning the hair like this prior to braiding it really helps you get perfect sections, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our comb. We could turn these into either 2 braids or 3 braids. By going in with my edge wax, putting it at the root of my hair. You really don't have to go in with the rubber band if you don't want to. Okay, so now we've got 3 different little sections. Now how much we're gonna take, that's what I don't really know, but we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna just try to take this thick strand of braid and just wrap it around it and just begin braiding like normally. And this makes it easier. So you're gonna just take that 2 strand, wrap it against your little 1 strand, and it's gonna be just braid down. And then once you start to get too short, you're gonna begin taking some of that braid in here and adding it to this little section. So now you have 3 sections. So that's the way we're gonna do it throughout our whole head, because this braid looks bomb and uniformed. And this is my first time, by the way. And I'm gonna just braid each one all the way down so I don't have to come back and braid anything down at the end. Okay, so it's long. You guys, it's long. It passes my, passes my cool, and it's a little to my leg, so that's gonna be pretty long. Giving myself some little braids for the first time.
Oh shit, those are long.
Yeah, they are dummy long. But the hair, actually, surprisingly, the pack of hair each was $2.99. This is some hair that I've never tried before, but I was just like, it looks perfectly fine to me. I'm gonna show you what it is. It's this one.
I will be buying that when I get there. $2.99. Yes, please. Oh yeah, that looks fine. True Braid. Yeah.
And it's long.
What's up? How are you?
Drive an all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had ain't. Lanes can't call it and you lame. You had it and you lost it, all the shame. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive.
I like to make money, get turned. I like to make money, get turned. I like to make money, get turned. Got the white girl talking like the
So we're to the last one. It's so long. I've got 68 braids in my head. I did count them. They're very lightweight. You can just put them all up. No, like it doesn't feel heavy or nothing on my head. If you want to save money, you should use the same package of hair color because then you can get away with using 4 packs of hair, which is a complete steal at $2.99. Yeah, this is like the perfect hairdo. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm loving my braids. They're perfect. Perfect.
So that I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me.